At Aruka, we believe that movement is everything. Whether you're an athlete or a fitness enthusiast, the way you move impacts your performance, your health, and your potential. But sometimes pain, injury, or simply never learning the right way to move can hold you back. That's where motion therapy comes in. Motion therapy is the functional prescription to correct movement dysfunction. It restores and rebuilds what has been lost, injured, or never learned. Our foundational principle is simple: improve and maintain an individual's movement efficiency, their movement IQ, through individualized corrective exercises, therapeutic interventions, and mobilization strategies. We address biomechanical flaws and compensatory movement patterns, which are often the root cause of injury and pain. Aruka Motion Therapy is for everyone, whether you're injured or healthy, young or old, an athlete or someone just looking to move better. Once you've completed your online health and lifestyle questionnaires, it is time for your injury risk analysis. Afterward, you'll have a virtual teleconference consultation with an Aruka Performance specialist to review the findings and build your personalized plan. With a personalized motion therapy plan, you'll rebuild your body's ability to move, prevent future injuries, and unleash your full potential. Start your journey to better movement today. Sign up for your Motion Therapy MyPlan and take the first step toward unlocking your athletic potential.